Hi folks, we're Sophie and Filipe, two professional chefs and regenerative farmers, on a mission to empower people to grow, cook and preserve nutrient-dense, regeneratively grown, delicious food. We bring you how-to recipes, stories that bridge the gap between the land and our plates, sprinkled with a pinch of humor and lots of grit. After a wildfire burned down much of our farm, and with a baby on the way, we're working hard to rebuild our lives. Join us for some honest cooking, regenerative living and fun farm-to-table courses and retreats. Hi folks! Wet hair! Not a kitchen day. In today's video I'm gonna get you up to date with a bit of vlogging style from the farming chefs. I am not in Portugal right now, more on that later. First, let's dive into what we did last week. It was epic, it was tasty, it was fun, and let's dive right in. Chef's Congress! For those of you signed up to our newsletter, you know we went to the Chef's Congress in Lisbon at the beginning of this month, which was a wonderful experience on its own. We got to cook for the crowd and talk about our passion, which is connecting people to the origins of their food and understanding the relationship between soil and health. But that was not the only fun in-person event we did this month. We also hosted a series of retreats on the farm here, and the last one I want to share here with you guys on the channel. We had a wonderful group of people traveling from places as far away as the States to come join us for an immersive cooking experience. The group itself was such a joy to have join us, as everyone was warm-hearted, interested, ready to learn, and I have to say, already great cooks. In total, we spent all but 5 days together, and man, did we have fun. Our first day we spent getting onto the land. It is a strange experience showing people the farm after the fire. It brings back a lot of emotions, and I don't enjoy the look of the farm as much as I once did. But the plants that are starting to sprout symbolize our journey. It shows nature is resilient and it won't give up. We identify with this sentiment, and bringing laughter onto the farm after the fire and receiving support from people like these fills us with strength and joy and the power to go on and to rebuild what we have lost. We went into the garden and harvested ingredients, talked about soil health, got our hands in the dirt and talked about regenerative farming. After that we spent multiple days in the kitchen. About, I want to say 80 goats and goats from all my name. It's crazy, like, it was going back, it's like, she knows all of their names. For a little bit, that most of the way on the side gets very
of this tiny road up in this mountain.
She's gonna build like in earth bags, dig out Cooking, after all, is what we do on these retreats, and we did plenty of it. The workshops are interactive and everybody gets to create multiple different dishes with guidance from both myself and Filipe. Our small but well-equipped kitchen felt like a place where a rowdy family was preparing for a Christmas dinner.
This one's for my anniversary. Purple one.
The butter and the rice they are pain in the ass. They're always asking you gonna eat them. Yeah, I think I saw Monica's I normalize. Throw it in. I feel like she's so insecure. She cannot wear what sorry, it's gonna be like perfect. The result? Food cooked with love.
Hey, that's super excited leaving all his friends to a front that doesn't exist.
Would they make the, like how would they build the network and set it up so that the trains would run most? So getting back to you, hair is dry now, and that was the experience of last week. I really enjoyed it. If you want to join us for a retreat, of course you can. You just head over to our website. There's a few spots available still for some of the dates in each of the courses, but they are already almost booked up. So if you want to hurry up and definitely add yourself to the list, you can just fill in the sign up form. Now, of course, I'm going to still also tell you a little bit about where I am. I am actually in Italy right now at a retreat center called Hotel Lione Boutique Retreat Center. It's a very special place and I'm going to tell you all about it in next week's episode. But it is for market research and for much more fun experiences to come. So keep posted and I will be back online next week, Friday night at 7 p.m. Ciao.